Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is, as you can see, going to be this super soft makeup look. I called it a Valentine's Day makeup, but it can be everyday makeup. I just loved it so much because I did it yesterday for my Instagram and people loved it. I was like, okay, why not? I'm going to film it for like last minute Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. It's really, you're going to see, it's so simple. You don't even have to like do all of the steps I did and you're still going to get the same type of look. So if you're interested to see how I did it, just stay here and keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with color correcting liquid primer from NYX in shade pink. Basically this primer, it says that this primer gives luminosity to dull skin, and which I have. So let's try it. This is actually the first time trying this, so let's see how it's gonna go. Just apply it directly on my face, like so. Like coloring. That's probably too much, but oh my gosh. What? Yeah, I definitely applied too much. Shit. Okay, let's remove a little bit. And all I can see is that it's very shiny actually. Then I'm taking the SEPHORA Glow Perfection Foundation in shade medium. I'm just gonna apply it first with my fingers, then I'm gonna blend with Beauty Blender. Like when I went to Serbia like a week ago, I went to Sephora and got this foundation and other stuff. And all I can say is that for now, this foundation is amazing. It has a really nice coverage and the color and everything is good, so it was a really successful first time try. Now I'm going to contour with NYX Mineral Stick Foundation in shade Chesnut, and this is also my first time trying this, so yeah. Okay. Let's see how that's going to work. This is like super pigmented, as you can tell. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna blend this out, so don't worry. Whenever I blend my cream contour, I always typically use brushes like this because I think it's so much easier than using Beauty Blender. I don't know, for some reason I just don't want to mix my Beauty Blender with 3 shades. So I'm definitely going to highlight with the Beauty Blender, but this kind of brushes are my go-to for cream contour. I'm gonna contour my nose now. Let me just try to find, and I'm gonna be taking this medium angle shading brush from Sigma. I also got this concealer from Sephora. It's called High Coverage Concealer Natural Finish in shade Cream. If you watch my videos, you would know that I love this concealer, and I just had to repurchase it, so I'm just gonna use it again today. Looking crazy, looking crazy. Now I'm using my Cover FX Translucent Light Powder, and I'm gonna see, since I'm doing the eyes, I think I can go, I think I have time to bake. Okay, I'm gonna bake. Here as well. I'm gonna apply it in the bridge of my nose, in the middle, and on my tip. And I'm also gonna set my eyes. Yeah, I do miss my thumbnail. It actually broke in the gym when I was boxing, so that's my life. I cannot actually have long nails, even though I would like to have. But so for my eyes, I'm going to be using the MORPHE 3502 palette. So today I'm starting with this color here. Like I always start with some warm shade because that's how I'm creating my transition, and it's going to blend so much nicely if you start with color like that. Like that. Like so. That's it. Now I'm going in with this shade here. It's pretty mauve, pink, brownish kind of shade. And I'm just gonna deepen up my crease and add some color into it. I know I did a mauve smoky in my last video, but that was like hardcore smoky and really dark. But this is gonna be a lot simpler. What the fuck? A lot easier and to achieve and to actually wear. And I'm gonna deepen up my outer V with this 2 shades together. On my lid, I'm going to be using this Shimmer Down pigment from NYX, and it's in shade SDP 05. Oh, I love this pigment. So I'm just applying it in my inner third of my eye. Now I'm just going to go back to the pointy brush that we use for the outer V, and I'm just going to blend. So I'm just dusting away this powder. I'm gonna finish off my face, and then I'm gonna apply falsies and do my eyebrows and etc. I'm gonna be using the Iconic London, this multi-use contouring set, and I'm just gonna use this middle shade to contour and bronze my skin. I'll just bronze my skin. My forehead. I'm just gonna fix my nose. And I'm going to apply the blush. I'm using the blush pan from Makeup Geek Cosmetics. This one is in shade Promise Ring. Now I'm going to show you my holy grail product I got in Sephora. It's actually Sephora's highlighter. It's actually called Face Shimmering Powder. It looks like this. It's so freaking gorgeous, like champagne-y gold treasure. This is actually a treasure. I'm gonna take it with my brush, Real Techniques setting brush, and then I'm gonna take my Tatcha spray and just spray the brush. And I'm actually gonna spray my face, and especially here where I want to apply the highlighter, because if your skin is a little bit damp, the highlighter will pop immediately. What did I just say? Crazy. I'm telling you guys, I can't. I'm also gonna be applying it here. What is you doing? What is you doing? It's time to apply it here. I don't know, I just have this freaking obsession with highlighters, like most of the people, but I literally bat my face in highlighter. I'm gonna be applying it in the middle of the nose. Just take a look at this. Like, what is... Okay, stopping.
A few moments later.
All over. Like, all over. This is everything. Also gonna do it here. Okay, now I'm going in with Pretty Vulgar Brow Pencil in shade Elegantly Educated. This is my go-to brow product for the last 2 months. I cannot live without it. It's literally so perfect for my not so perfect eyebrows. I just, take a look what I'm doing. I just go like that. And people always ask me like, how do you do your eyebrows? And it's just nothing fancy. It's just... See, pulling some strokes and just filling them in. Or not, I'm just gonna do some feathery strokes here. I'm literally done. And the next thing is just take this brush from the same pencil and I just brush them away, and my eyebrow is done. Now I'm gonna pop my lashes, and while I say my, I'm definitely gonna use my lashes. For today, they're called J Makeup, obviously. That's how they look like. And you also have a discount code on them, and I'll leave everything down below. Just gonna pop them on. I did put on my lashes. I'm just gonna wait until they dry, and I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of color onto my bottom lash line. I'm not gonna apply mascara today because I just love this clean under eye look, and I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna go back to the Iconic London palette, and I'm just gonna use the same bronzing shade that I use for my skin. I'm just gonna literally smoke out. So since it's Valentine's Day, I guess people may be crying or whatever. You can end up in some water, a jacuzzi or whatever. So for that, I'm going to be using the waterproof mascara from the Balm Cosmetics. It's called SCUBA, and it has a really tiny, thin brush looking like this. And I'm just going to brush out my own lashes with the falsies. Okay, so since yesterday I had NYX combo on my lips, I'm gonna do it again today. I'm also gonna do the other option with red lipstick just to spice it up a little bit. First, let's go with the lip liner in shade Nude Beige. And I'm gonna combine it with soft matte lip cream in shade Cairo. This is a really, really light color, so it's gonna look crazy at first, but I just love super nude lips with this entire makeup. Okay, and so for my next lipstick option, I'm gonna use the Twist Up Lip Pencil from Sleek Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna line my lips first. On top, I'm gonna apply the shimmer, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick in shade Embossy. Well, duh. Oh my god, this is like a True Blood color. Okay, this is pretty. Oh my gosh, I love. You know what? I would wear something white with a red lipstick, really tight white dress, and it would look so good, like so bomb. But overall, I love both combos. It's just however you feel that day. You're not gonna go wrong with any color, so thumbs up for both of them, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is my finished result. I hope you like the look, and I do hope that you're gonna spend your Valentine's Day with your loved one. And for all the single birdies out there, I am single too. Just make some great dinner for yourself, make some dessert, have a cheat day, and just enjoy life. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.